This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL5 slides, 2 queen bedrooms, 2 full baths is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, Skylight, TV, Slideout, external shower, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 391DL5 slides, 2 queen bedrooms, 2 full baths is 15,304 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.